You take risk and you succeed. If you don't take risk, you cannot succeed. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Oyindamola, aka Yoruba Chick. So I know it's been a long time since I dropped a video, but trust me guys, I've not been lazy, I've not been sleeping, I've been working hard. I've been looking for ways to make money so I can come share with you guys so you can make money too. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how to invest in cryptocurrency in Nigeria, especially as a beginner. Now, this is a disclaimer. I'm not a pro. I'm not a cryptocurrency trader or anything. This is something that I started researching at the beginning of this year, and I've been learning day by day and working towards it. So I'm just going to be sharing all I've learned about cryptocurrency so far. And if you are still new to the cryptocurrency world and you're trying to learn more about it, stay tuned. So one of my goals for this year was to learn about cryptocurrency and learn how to invest in cryptocurrency. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing tips that I've learned so far during my personal research. First of all, what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that was developed or created by some guy named Satoshi in 2009. He created the first cryptocurrency called Bitcoin. I also learned the difference between coins and tokens. So coins are cryptocurrencies that stand alone, independent on their own blockchain, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. While tokens are cryptocurrencies that do not have their own blockchain, but they exist on another blockchain, such as ERC20 tokens. There's also something called altcoins, and these are coins that are not Bitcoin, basically, such as Ethereum or XRP. So these are basically alternative coins. There are different terminologies, and you need to take the time to learn what they mean, or go online and just Google. There are also lots of very helpful resources on YouTube. You could just Google cryptocurrency terminologies, and you see videos where they explain these different terminologies and what they mean, which are some of the things that I did during my research stage. So ensure you do your own research. So I started my crypto journey in January with To Finance app. I mentioned it in my last video, maybe you should check it out. And To Finance app is mostly a stocks investment app, but back in January they had some cryptocurrency options, so I thought, why not, let me try it. And it was working well until the whole CBN ban, and that was where it all went downhill. So I started trying to go deeper into the cryptocurrency world and find out different ways I can trade or invest, you know, as a Nigerian. While wondering about, I stumbled on Binance. Binance is a cryptocurrency trading app as well as market where you can buy different cryptocurrencies. Binance has a feature called P2P. Basically, this feature enables different sellers and buyers to come and exchange their cryptocurrencies, and that's the crucial part here about trading currently in Nigeria. I don't know whether the CBN ban has been lifted or not, but this is the safest way to trade in crypto currently. P2P means peer-to-peer trading. Basically, it means you can trade with anyone as long as you have cryptocurrency. It's a very simple method. Once you download your Binance app, there's a section called P2P where you can buy from any trader in Nigeria. You just select your currency and you click on the trader that you like. Some traders have limits. Maybe they only sell between 5,000 naira and 100,000 naira. Some don't start from 5,000 naira. They start from maybe 1 million naira to 2 million naira worth of cryptocurrency that they are willing to sell. So you just need to find the trader that has the best price as well as the quantity that you need, and you click on their profile and the account number is going to be stated there. You send the required amounts. If you can buy any amount as long as it's really trader's limit. You can buy 1,000 naira, 2,000 naira, but mostly it starts from 5,000 naira. So you can buy maybe 10 or 20,000 naira worth of crypto, maybe Bitcoin, Ethereum, or BNB. You buy it by sending the money to the trader's account, and you click on the app that you sent the money. Then the trader releases the crypto to you. So that's the process. Before you can use the P2P option, you need to verify your account and carry out identity authentication. I signed up with my phone number, but I was also able to carry out my identity authentication, which enabled me to use the P2P option. So ensure you do that before you start. Since I started learning in February, that was the most terrible period for me to have joined crypto, because everywhere was red for the whole of February. Even stocks were really down during that period. My money kept reducing every day and every day and every day, and I was so sad and so terrified, like who sent me to learn this thing? But that's the thing about crypto. It's more like a long-term thing. It's like any investment. So if I need for the short term, you might be disappointed. I've recouped all my losses and I'm even making profit at the moment. So all you have to do is to know when to buy, when to hold, and when to sell a coin or token. People that hold coins for a long period of time are called hodlers. A classic example is XRP. Back in January, I had XRP when I was on Trove, and I did a lot of research about it. Lots of people kept saying it was a shit coin, it was a bad coin, and they kept insulting people that were holding XRP. When Trove took off cryptocurrency off its options, I sold all my XRP. Fortunately for me, this month I decided to buy some XRP again because I remembered, oh, this coin, and the next day the price actually skyrocketed. Imagine if I had bought XRP at a really low price back then, or if I had held on to my XRP when it was really low, the amount of profit I would have made. And everyone that kept saying XRP was a shit coin, they were rubbing it in their faces like, oh, look at us now, we're rich. It made a lot of multiples of profit for people that held on to the coin. So the strength in this game is not about who can buy and who can sell the coin, it's about who can hold. If you believe in a coin and you believe it's going to work, just hold on to that coin, and who knows, it might skyrocket in the future and moon, and you'll be a crypto billionaire or a crypto millionaire. You just need to take the time out to do your research and learn more about it. And also you need to have money, because you need money to make money. I'm not saying you can't start small. I started small. I started with amounts like 5,000 naira, 10,000 naira before eventually going higher. So you take risk and you succeed. If you don't take risk, you can lose my money. I had about 200k in February and the money kept going down and going down. I was crying, but look at me now. I'm not going to tell you how much I have now, but it's rising. Glory be to God. So there are people that put millions in these things, like they call them whales. They don't even come here to play. Like, they are not here to make small change, they are here to make millions. And there's also something called staking, which I also learned recently. You can stake your coins or tokens and yield tokens in return. So I have different tokens that I've gotten from staking. Pretty new to it, but it's another way to get coins. I would also advise you, if you're going to be staking, you need a trust wallet or a SafePal account. It's like a digital wallet to keep your digital currency in, and you need to keep it very secure, because if anyone has access to those wallets, your money is gone. These wallets enable you to keep your tokens, keep your coins. They have inbuilt browsers that allow you to connect your wallet to websites like or farms where you can stake your coin and yield tokens or coins in return, basically. And one final tip that I'm going to give is to ensure you take personal time to do your own research. And something called DYOR, which a lot of the currency financial advisors are always using as a disclaimer, because they don't want people to come back later and say you told us to do this and it flopped. Or so they always use disclaimers such as not financial advice and do your own research, which is DYOR. It's not just researching terminologies. You have to research the coins, the tokens, the companies that are creating this. There are many scams out there, so you need to be careful what you put your money into, and be very wary when someone tells you to bring money. Try and learn it yourself, because in the long run, you make your profit your own, and you know that it's from your handwork. So I would advise you take the time to do personal research, and beware of all these crypto gurus or financial advisors that are online on Twitter and different places like that, because sometimes these people use people to pump and dump coins that they are interested. Pump and dump is also a terminology that you need to learn about. Be wary of people like that, because they might not always have your best interest at heart. So it's better you do your own research, and that's what I want you to take out of here today. Hashtag DYOR. That's very important, because let me just tell you the truth, nobody knows anything about cryptocurrency. It's a fairly new technology and we're all just fumbling in the dark. So some people will make predictions, and the predictions turn out to be totally wrong. So don't depend on what anybody is saying. Just go with your gut and remember to tread carefully. So that's it, guys. We're all beginners here and we're here to help each other. If you're a pro watching this video, you'd like to add some suggestions, they're definitely welcome. And I would love if you can interact with the video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate you give me a thumbs up, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I hope this video has been able to clarify a few things if you're a beginner like me. I wish you the best. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.